In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert multiple pictures into PowerPoint on different slides. This is a super useful technique for presentations that rely heavily on visuals, and it can save you a lot of time if you have a multitude of images to organize within your slides. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to ensure that you have your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation open and ready to go. Once you have that up, direct your attention to the PowerPoint ribbon at the top of your screen. Here, you'll find various tabs that help you manage your presentation. Click on the Insert tab, which is crucial for adding new elements such as images, charts, and more. Within the Insert tab, you'll see an area labeled Images. This is where the magic happens. Click on Photo Album and then select New Photo Album from the drop-down menu. You'll notice a dialog box that pops up, allowing you to configure your photo album settings. Now, within this dialog box, you will see the File Disk button. When you click this button, it opens a File Explorer window, letting you navigate to the folder where you've saved all the pictures you'd like to insert. This step is key to gathering all your images in one go. Once you're in the correct folder, you need to select all the pictures you wish to insert into your presentation. Here's a handy tip. If you're choosing images that are not next to each other, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on each individual picture. Alternatively, if your images are grouped together in a sequence, click on the first image, hold down the Shift key, and then click the last image, which will select everything in between your initial and final selections. After you've highlighted all your chosen pictures, click on Insert. You'll notice that all your selected pictures will now appear listed in the Pictures and Album box within the dialog window. This box provides a great overview, ensuring you've got all your desired images before finalizing the photo album. Next, you'll want to configure how these pictures will appear on your slides. Under the Album Layout section, there is a Picture Layout drop-down menu. Make sure this drop-down is set to Fit to Slide or One Picture. This setting ensures each picture occupies an entire slide on its own, preserving clarity and making your presentation look professional. Finally, with everything set up to your liking, hit the Create button. PowerPoint will then automatically generate a series of slides, each featuring one of the images you've selected. And that's it. You've successfully inserted multiple pictures into your PowerPoint presentation across different slides. This streamlined approach not only saves time, but also ensures each image is presented cleanly and efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.